welcome back to my channel. I know some of you are probably wondering, where have you been? That's literally the same question I ask myself every single day. And I'm wearing a turtleneck, and you guys know I hate turtlenecks. I decided to just do what I had to do, work on myself, work on my family, work on the relationship with my friends, work on my school, work on just my sanity, work on everything. And I'm not a complainer, so I'm not here to complain either. I don't want to tell you guys, oh, this is why or something. If you know me, you know I'm not a complainer. I hardly say anything when I'm like sick or anything. So like I said, I'm not here to complain. I'm just here to let you guys know, because I know that you guys are my YouTube family. You know, I'm not a huge YouTube star, but I do feel like I need to owe you guys an apology, or not so much an apology, because I don't regret it. I just regret taking so long to do it, but I don't regret taking a pause. I did stop making videos after this chaos was going on YouTube. I think it was with like this big YouTube stars like Manny MUA and Laura Lee, and I felt like the YouTube community at that time was so toxic, and I just wasn't in a good place myself. So I didn't want to just kind of be in that environment, so I just decided to step away and just work on myself and not be on social media. And you guys do know that I haven't been posting either on Instagram or Twitter or anything. Like, I've been MIA on Instagram. Like, I posted a picture last time and I got like 12 likes, and I was just like I've really been like MIA everywhere. And it's just like I just need to step back, and to this moment I'm not fully where I want to be when it comes to how I feel, and I just needed to do that for myself. And I did take too long, in my opinion. I took more than I wanted. Like I said, I'm still working on just being happy with myself and everything, and there's a lot of things I wanted to accomplish in 2018 that didn't happen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There was a lot of just personal issues, personal problems, a lot of work things, a lot of school. School was so suffocating last semester. I felt like I had no life. I felt like I had to run home to do homework, and it was starting to be very annoying to tell people, oh, I can't do this, I can't do that, just because of school. And it was just a lot of things, and I've lost so many people in the whole process because it's been a lot. And I just didn't feel like sitting here with you guys the last 3 months and pretending to be happy, or I just like, this room was just like crazy. Like, everything has been crazy in this room. The mess, like, you couldn't even walk in. It felt like a storage room. Like, I have so many new makeup to review for you guys, but I just haven't had like the energy, or I just haven't been happy enough to post videos. And I'm still not, I'm happy, but I'm still not there 100%. I'm still trying to work around my school schedule, because school did start again this week. Great. But I have a lot of ideas for you guys. And my hair, like, guys, look at my hair. It's literally curly. I never thought I was gonna see my hair this, but I'm so happy. And I'm actually filming with my new lens that I got for my birthday in November, and it's literally the end of January, and I just used it today for the first time, and I love it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the lens. It looks really good. But yeah, just, you know, wanted to come here and then just introduce myself over again to you guys, the new subscribers that I've been having. And I just gonna hit YouTube hard. I want this to work for me. I want this to be my career, be my job, and I want 2019 just to be an amazing year. And I do want to share with you guys some of my resolutions for 2019, and I know that I'm gonna accomplish them. You know, with God, everything is possible if you believe it, and all you have to do is just have a good mentality. And that's not what I had last year, and that's why it was so difficult for me. But I want to be debt free. I want to work from home. I want to help my parents with money. I want to have a better job. I want to start a family. I want to have kids. I want to find a bigger apartment, and it's just a lot of things that I wanted to do for 2019, and I know that I'm gonna accomplish it. And that's pretty much it. I had to tell you guys, and I love you guys so much, and you guys are very special to me. And thank you for everybody that has been commenting on my videos and saying stuff. I've been reading it. It's just I haven't been able to reply, but yes, I'll bring so many more videos for you guys. And I wish everybody had a happy Christmas, happy Thanksgiving, happy Christmas, happy New Year. I just missed all of those things. Crazy. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.